Hi everyone. Welcome back to NG Auto Review, and today we're diving into the brand new 2026 Renault Captur, a compact SUV that has been one of Renault's global bestsellers. The Captur has always been about combining stylish design with practical urban driving, and the 2026 version takes things a step further with sharper looks, more efficient powertrains, and a thoroughly modern interior. Starting with the exterior, the new Captur gets a bold redesign. Renault has given it a wider stance and a more aggressive front grille that flows seamlessly into the slimmer LED matrix headlights. The bumper has been sculpted with sharper lines, and depending on the trim, you get sporty chrome or blacked-out accents. The side profile keeps the familiar floating roof design but adds more aerodynamic creases, giving it a more premium feel. Wheel options range from 17 to 19 inches, and at the back, the LED taillights are now sleeker with a signature C-shaped design that really makes it stand out at night. Overall, it looks much more dynamic and upmarket compared to its predecessor. Under the hood, Renault is offering a variety of powertrains for different markets. The base petrol engine is efficient and well-suited for city driving, while the hybrid and plug-in hybrid options will attract buyers looking for more eco-friendly choices. The plug-in hybrid, in particular, can deliver around 50 kilometers of electric-only range, making it practical for short commutes without burning fuel. Performance is not about raw power here but about balance. The Captur handles urban traffic with ease, and on highways, it feels stable and composed. Renault has also refined the suspension, making it more comfortable over bumps while still offering sharp enough steering for confident cornering. Step inside, and you immediately notice the upgrade in quality. The cabin has a modern minimalist design with a digital driver's display and a new vertical touchscreen infotainment system running Renault's latest software. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and higher trims even get a premium sound system. The materials feel soft to the touch, with eco-friendly upholstery options. Space-wise, the Captur remains practical with good rear legroom and a flexible boot that can be expanded thanks to a sliding rear bench. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Captur is expected to start from around €24,000 for the base petrol variant, with the hybrid model sitting closer to €30,000, and the plug-in hybrid approaching €34,000 depending on options. That places it competitively within the small SUV segment, especially considering the technology and style on offer. The 2026 Renault Captur is a well-rounded package, stylish, efficient, and practical. Perfect for drivers who want a versatile SUV without breaking the bank.